everybody, welcome back to the Wawa's parking lot on a beautiful bright blue Saturday morning. I'm getting ready, all stocked up, got my breakfast, got my water, got my gas, and I'm ready to go out. I won't call it for a shakedown run, I think I'm going to call it a breakdown run, because I'm breaking down. I've been having weird muscle spasms in my upper back and groin pains, and I can't figure out what's causing them, so we're just gonna hike anyway. So let's go out and have some fun. All right, so we're out here today in the beautiful great outdoors, nice and snowy day. We are at Green Lane Park up near Perkiomenville, Pennsylvania. This is about an hour from where I live, and it's a beautiful park. I've been here in the summer just to walk around. My kids go camping here with their dad. It's just a really nice place, and it's hard to believe how close it is to home. So I do have a new goodie today. I finally broke down and picked up a new day pack. I know I've been practicing with the weight of the fully loaded Deuter, but I think that might be part of what's causing my pain problems, especially the back spasms. So I got this cute little Osprey Cirrus 24. It holds everything I need just for day hikes, my 10 essentials, my sit pad, my water. I do have a tripod in there, not a lot of extras. My puffy coat's in there, and my snacks. So we're gonna give this a test run. We're gonna see how I manage with a 2-mile hike in the snow, and we'll keep up with you. So the trail splits off here and goes either down to the car or over to what they call the West Loop. And I'm thinking, well, I've been out here for a while. Maybe I'm almost done. I have gone 7/10 of a mile. I'm not anywhere near done. reached my intersection and I have choices to make, because there's that way, which is a big loop. There's that way, which will take me back to the car. And there's that way that cuts through the middle and will let me see more than if I just went back to the car, but isn't the huge loop if I went the west loop. I'm not gonna bail, so I'm gonna do the halfway. So let's get walking. Oh. So, status update. I missed the turnoff to make this the shorter route. And I'm looping back around on the longer part of the route, just backwards. So, I guess I'm doing most of this hike after all. Okay. This looks familiar, but this time we're going that way. Not a lot of trail broken. Let's see how we do. As I come to the end of this trail, I want to point out the irony that the parking lot in this beautiful winter woodland setting is also the headquarters for one of the county's mobile COVID testing centers. So, come for a hike, check out your antibodies. Nice. All right, well, I made it back. I was a little doubtful towards the middle there. Sometimes on these hikes you get to a point where it's like, oh my God, I'm never gonna make it back. I'm just gonna die out here. But I didn't, and you rarely do, so I probably should have just found a place to stop instead of pushing on, but lesson learned. Still need my front bottle holder. I didn't hydrate enough. The new backpack is pretty good. I got to dial in the shoulder straps a little bit, and I think I got to do something about my new boots, because the right one, as Deb would say, I can walk to Manhattan, but the left one is pinching my big toe to the point where I got a toenail infection last time. So I think I'm going to have to make a stop at REI and see what they can adjust for me. Gee, damn, I have to go to REI. Oh, but we made it through. I'm not sure what next week is going to hold, but I know Deb is going to be in on it. She's already been nagging me about where we're going to go next. So have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye.